My dear business partners, ladies and gentlemen, today we are talking about CASHGOLD. What is CASHGOLD? What's the point in using it, and what about gold investment? Should we invest in gold now or even pay with gold, exchanging it for goods or services? I would like to discuss this subject with Mr. Seitz, CEO and founder of Karatbars International. Welcome, Mr. Seitz.
Hello, Mr. Brenner.
Mr. Seitz, when you started your company, the whole purpose of buying gold in the first place was to save up for a rainy day. What do you think about that today?
Naturally, my advice is still to put aside gold in smaller denominations. So if there are a problem like an IT blackout or, as predicted by many experts, a crash in the Eurozone, owner of gold are their inside track.
Now, you have had the brilliant idea, in my view, of opening a market for even smaller gold units. Now, what's this got to do with CASHGOLD?
The idea behind this is simple and makes sense. For more than 700 years, there has been, I would like call a debt currency. And with every currency we set on certain amount of money will be fixed. Let's say we create a new currency and start with 1 billion net present value. To spur economy, money is lent on interest. Because of the interest, the money supply increased by 50 million in 12 months, give an interest rate of 5%. After 5 years, it would result in a total 1,267 million. After 30 years, with 1 billion would have turned it into 4 billion. And finally, after 80 years, in an insane total of 50 billion. At an interest rate of 5%. If we take an interest rate of 7 as a base, that original 1 billion will multiply by 200 times over 80 years. If an interest rate of 10 it's used, it will be 2,000 times the size. This is why we have financial collapse every 80 years.
Is this why you have invented CASHGOLD?
First, basically, CASHGOLD is not more than a piece of paper fitted with gold, but with benefit. If you own any significant quantity of CASHGOLD, let's say somewhere around about of 1 billion, and the overall amount of CASHGOLD will increase, it will have little or no negative effect on the absolute value of CASHGOLD. CASHGOLD is fully covered by itself, by gold. Since no debt will arise, inflation is no longer a problem. Second, size does matter. I'm always aiming to make gold in small denomination, accessible for the people. Even smaller denomination than 1 gram, because there are people in the world who can afford not even 1 gram gold a month. Since we operate in such countries, and the decision to produce very small denomination was only logical.
In simple terms, the idea is that people all over the world should buy gold and save money?
Correct.
I understand you are planning on building a website with a corresponding app to enable business transactions with gold. What exactly are you up to?
There are indeed various kind of payment system. You probably know Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, the most well-known example of such of technology. There is no common payment system based on physical gold. But I want to say clearly that CASHGOLD is not a currency, but a way of exchange and payment. Only with this online system, our partners can buy CASHGOLD, have CASHGOLD delivered, exchange CASHGOLD or pay with it, and receive gold back.
Pay with gold? I'd really like to go into it.
Some of our customers who run their own online shops or stores already buy gold on a monthly basis. These people are happy to accept gold in exchange for goods. However, it has to be made sure that there is no issue with the laws and regulations of the countries. In this context, we would like to refer to our general terms and conditions.
You've just said something about gold back. Could you briefly explain how it is supposed to work?
Yes, of course. Gold back is basically not new. But what is new? In the way in which we will maximize the benefit for all. You all know the cashback rewards program with their discounted point system. But please have in mind that we will participate in the JOES program, but we will need some more time to prepare. And second, that every store giving a discount and having registered with us will in the future give a discount in gold.
Mr. Seitz, thank you for your kind attention. Dear friends of Karatbars, we are facing huge challenges and a great future. CEO and founder Harald Seitz started years ago with the vision of making gold accessible to everyone. In this way, we have achieved a great deal. CASHGOLD, KaratPay and Gold back now mark a further milestone on the path to freedom and independence. If you want to experience a real sense of achievement by accompanying our project, you are very welcome. Because you know, the best is yet to come. This was Thomas Brenner from the Karatbar studio. See you soon again.